My name is Gilbert Lucero. I live in Aurora, Colorado. Mother and father, we've been here for at least 20 years. I am from Colorado, born and raised. My wife has a little bit of a back issue, so it was easier to get rid of the tub completely and just go in with a straight walk-in to make it easier for both of us for cleaning as we are getting older. This is the first remodel we've done in the bathroom, so it really needed it. We did a few checks online of a few places, and we just decided on HomePride as probably the best, so we called them. They had a representative available right away. Their representative was very good, which we were concerned about because of all the scams that are out there now. And that's how we got with HomePride. The installers were terrific. They came in, covered everything, tore down everything in one day. Awesome. Very good. Put it back up the next day.
Whenever you twist it up, it's for your head, your shower head.
They did a fantastic job. HomePride, they were great.